So this morning, the girls get out of bed and Stephanie gave them, I guess, the most bizarre Valentine's gift in the world. Before I show you what they are, I want you to hear what they are. Okay, that's enough. So guess in the comments what you think those are, and then I'll show you. So pause it and guess. If I were to guess, I would think it was a duck call. Go ahead. He likes it. Oh, there's a fire. The last fire was this house right there. Now we got a fire coming down here. 2 fires in like a week. What are you doing? I guess Lucas was raspberrying the couch.
Yeah, he was.
He was doing a good job.
All right, so we made it back to Lincoln to the bakery, to the Goldenrod Pastries, and here we are. What did you get, Allegra? What kind?
Chocolate.
Eden, what kind is yours? What kind? What did you get?
I got pecan.
How's it taste?
Yummy.
All right, so it's 70 degrees and it's beautiful out. We're still in Lincoln. We're headed down to the park. We just had our yummy treats.
Allegra, whoever gets the ginormous stick wins. Allegra, I have a ginormous stick and you don't. Zoe does that.
So today's February 21st and there's a lake about a quarter mile from our house with a big
Did you know my
like
pig
preserve
grass
recreation
is
area,
green?
and there is a bald eagle nest here in one of the big trees, so we are going to go see if we can find it. So we walked over to where the nest is and we can see it looks like the eagle is in the nest right in there. It's a big nest.
Yay!
Up there again.
Why are you so bundled up, kiddo?
I'm gonna go outside.
What's the big deal about outside?
I wanna play.
Well, you always play outside. Why are you so bundled up?
Cause it's snowy.
Is it? Hey everyone, sorry for my appearance. I'm sick. Well, this is the great blizzard of 2017 happening right now. So I figured I'd let you see it. No one dares drive in these conditions. Oh, except that guy.
Allegra, what are you doing?
She's being silly. You have a mustache of snow.